Hi there. Here's a quick guide on how to create your own templates in WhatsApp Business. Application panel. Click on Quick Start. Click on Message Templates. Click Create Template. Verify that you have the custom option selected and then click on the Next button. Click on the select language and look for the language that we are going to assign to the template. In this case, we select English as. Now we are going to write the name of the template. Remember, write it without spaces. After adding the name of the template, we continue now selecting the header of the template, where you will see several options to choose from, but for this case, we will choose image and add a reference image for meta. We continue now with the content that the template will have, and in this case, we add a variable, which will be the name of the person that will receive the message. Then in this option, we add a text of example. This is so that Meta has a reference to the content that will have the variable at the time of being used by the bot. In this case, we add a name. It is not important the name that we add, but it is necessary to write something. Let's go now to the buttons section in the templates. We can add several buttons as needed. This time, we will choose the button where if we want to change the text to be displayed and add the phone number to which clicking on it will perform the action of calling, also without forgetting to add the correct call sign for the selected phone number. Before clicking on Send for review, we will check that everything is correct and do not send something that is not accepted or that is not well structured for what we want. Remember that on the right we will be able to see an example of how the template would look like. After sending it for review, we will have to wait between 5 to 10 minutes before we can use the template without any problem. Remember to refresh the page to see the change of status of the template. After having the template verified, we will be able to use it. This would be an example of how the template would be sent to the person's WhatsApp. It was a pleasure to help you. Don't forget to visit our website and purchase our services.